Hello guys, Darius here from F.M.Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take your still photos that you shot for your stop motion animation and actually create the video with them. But first I'll show you the demo video that I made as an example. So here you can see that the character is walking and it appears to be one fluid motion as if it was in real life. And you can also see that I added a camera movement. This you do not have to do. It is totally optional. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up Windows Movie Maker. This particular version is for Windows 7. This is the Windows Live Movie Maker. And you want to go right here and say click here to browse for videos and photos. You want to go ahead and click that. And then you want to find the pictures that you've imported from your camera. I already have it set to find mine. So scroll down to the bottom where it stops, like so, and go ahead and highlight all of the photos and click open. And that will display all of them. Now as a default, it puts each photo at 7 seconds long, which obviously we don't want because then you get this effect. It just sits there until it flips to the next screen. Frame by frame, thumbnail by thumbnail, so you can see each one, see, and then it'll do that. So you want to drag this back to the beginning, and you want to right click and hit select all. Then in the editing section, click edit and scroll over to duration, and it should highlight when you left click on it. You want to type in 0,10 or 0,10, which is equivalent to 100 milliseconds. Now that will take each photo itself, each thumbnail, and make it 10 seconds long, so you get this effect. And it appears to be that he is walking. Now another effect you can do, if that's not as far as you want to go, let's say you want to go a little bit farther, you can select all of them again and go to the Visual Effects tab, and you can create all of them in black and white. You can also change the brightness level on all of them, so it could be darker or it could be brighter, whatever you want. See the change there? I always like to make mine darker because I tend to have a very bright light when I am filming. You can also, if you were doing just a slideshow, you could use animations. You could use a pan and zoom effect. There's all kinds of effects you guys can use. Now in the Home tab, you can also add music to your creation. I have a song picked out here just at random, so then you get this. It's just a picked out at random effect. You can obviously add other effects, or if you're like me and you want some extra stuff, you can also at the beginning add a title. And on your title you can type whatever you want. I'll just call this stop motion tutorial, like that. And you can, then it'll give you this. It'll scroll through it. And it'll give you that effect. You can also add credits, or you can add captions over. So let's say you didn't want just blank screen. I could go here and I could add a caption. It says, I'll just do a stop. I could have it say this is a stop motion tutorial, and you can click here and you can drag it and have it. Now with this, it only goes thumbnail by thumbnail, but you can go to the text tools section and you can set the start time of that text, and it's starting here at 7 seconds into the video, and I could set the duration for the entire length of the video, so I could say 11.50, and it would place that effect all the way over the entire video. That same thing acts as a watermark. You could put it in the middle so that when you produce your video, no one else could take it. Many different things like that. Now, obviously, since Windows Live Movie Maker comes free on all Windows computers, it doesn't have all those special effects. For instance, muzzle flashes or something like that doesn't come with this. To do that, I'm afraid you would have to buy a little bit more substantial editing software, and I will show that in another tutorial how to do the same project using HitFilm Standard. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and see you guys later.